This oscillating multi-tool kit offers improved durability and power with its 3.0 amp motor. In fact, it delivers up to 10,000 to 22,000 oscillations per minute. It is perfect for cutting, sanding, scraping and grinding. It is the #1 best-selling oscillating power tool kit. And it is on sale today only. Porter Cable PS 605K 3 amp corded oscillating multi-tool kit with 31 accessories on sale for $59.99. This multi-tool comes with one depth/cutting guide, one precision wood end cut blade, one wood/metal end cut blade, one flush cut blade, one sanding platen, 25 sandpaper sheets, one flexible scraper and a kit box. What else do you need for job site usability? Have a suggestion for a cool product or great deal that you think Daily Caller readers need to know about? Email the Daily Dealer at dealer@dailycaller.com. The Daily Caller is devoted to showing you things that you'll like or find interesting. We have partnerships with affiliates, so the Daily Caller may get a small share of the revenue from any purchase.